Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving deep into XOR and not logical operators. These are the rules computers use to make decisions. Before that, here is basic introduction of logical operator. Logical operators are fundamental blocks that can be used to build a decision-making capability in your code. Earlier video we have seen what is logical operator and/or operator in deep with example. You can find video link in description. Now let's understand the XOR operator. XOR means exclusive OR. It's true only if one condition is true, but not both. For example, you can have either pizza or burger, but not both. The important rule is, XOR is true only if one condition is true, but not both. In many programming languages, XOR is written as with caret operator. For example, pizza XOR burger. This means you can have either pizza or burger, but not both. Let's look at truth table. It is make easy to get how conditional statements, if/else, resolve based on combinations of true or false inputs. XOR truth table. True XOR true equals false. True XOR false equals true. False XOR true equals true. False XOR false equals false. With pizza and burger example, let's look at the possibilities. You decide to have both pizza and burger. True and true gives false. But if you have only burger, true and false gives true. Same goes to if you have only pizza, it gives true that is false and true gives true. And if you have neither pizza nor burger, false and false gives false. So basically, you can have either pizza or burger, but not both. So remember, with XOR gets true only if one condition is true, but not both. Not. Let's look at not operator. Not operator flips the truth or output. Means if it's true, not makes it false. If it's false, not makes it true. Simply reverse the Boolean value. Example: imagine you can go outside if it is not raining. In many programming languages, not is written as with exclamation mark. For example, exclamation mark is raining. If is raining answer is false, that is no, not operator reverse the output to true that says you can go outside. And if we got is raining answer as true, it convert output to false and you cannot go outside because it is raining. So in short, not reverse the answer. Let's understand not truth table. Not truth table is very simple compared to other logical operator. You need to just reverse the output. So here we have final or single output true or false that get reverse as false and true respectively. Here true becomes false. False becomes true. If we take the earlier example, then output should look like this. Is raining no means not raining, so we can go outside? False gives true. And if is raining yes, then we cannot go outside. True gives false. In this video, we have understand logical XOR operators in the simplest way possible with real-life examples and have deep walkthrough on not operator. In next video, we'll come with new programming concept. So stay tuned for fun learning video. Do not forget to share, like and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care.